No. What were you gonna say?
I think you should make a diss track.
A diss track on what?
On diss tracks.
What are you saying? That's so stupid. Alright, I gotta go. Bye.
Jake Paul, Logan Paul, any other Paul, I don't care.
No, right, because if I make a diss track on people making a diss track, then basically I'm making a diss track on myself. Yo, that makes sense. Okay. Here goes nothing. Birds and the bees, sit the fuck down while we cut the tall trees. We got the world on our screens, watching content for you and me. I'm a prodigy or wannabe, subscribe please. Rap crap about your problems, eventually someone will get mad at you and call you out. That's where the diss track is whack. It's like they smoke crack, stop talking smack and I still listen to trap. Bruh, this is nonsense, it's gotta stop. I mean, why you feel the need to roast when you can't be on top? Thank you PewDiePie, you think you're fire, you're not wrong, but you're not right. Where's your respect? You've got none, exactly. I'm 16, sorry. I'm 16 and I got nothing to show for it. 200 subs on YouTube, that's all I got. Nothing more, nothing less. It's a life I like, I respect it. Couple friends. Not what I asked for, but it's enough, right? I don't got a girlfriend, that's all I want. Got a house and a camera and the brains, but that's not a lot. It's me who is the scolder, they say it's the eye of the beholder. This has holes on top, I thought your life was fine, you probably chug wine. I watched a kid today, kid who died in a crash, he drank too much too. That's not the point, just DM me to collab. An up and coming creator, blatantly hating me, it's like you got something to prove. I ain't about to leave, so can you please move? But now I got KSI who needs to make another vid for publicity. 10 more Ks and I'll be okay. Come on, you're older than this. I don't think so.
And there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.